Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center here. This is stock number 3719P. It's a 2013 Ram 5500 with 217K on it. And it's got a Fassi F65 picker. Automatic transmission, 6.7 liter Cummins. The 5500 classifies it as a 2-ton truck. It's got the long wheelbase. Hand controls on both sides for the crane. The deck has been spray and box linered, so it's nice and grippy, has a nice finish on it. The stake sides can be folded down for easier side loading. There's a hitch on the back, LED lighting. Rear facing LED lights as well. Undermount toolboxes on both sides. Tires are in good shape. Front tires are new. Other hand controls there. Some space between there for shovel storage and such. Better shot of the crane. Here's the crane specs. So at short extension, 6 foot 7 feet, or 6 foot 7 inches is 5,975 pounds. And then at 28 foot 8 inches, it's 1,290 pounds. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver seat. Again, 217K. Cruise control, 4-wheel drive, some auxiliary switches on the dash, a screen, flip up center console as well. And again, this is a 13 5500 with 217K.